Okay, there it is. There is the water. I don't know if you can see it. Coming in through this little hole. That's kind of like where the river of water. See, there's one there. There's no water. This one here is water. This one here is no water. There's several of them up and down. Oh, look at that one. Black Widow right in there. Look at that. Ah, she ran, but there was a Black Widow right in there. Anyway, this one's in the corner. And this one's just letting water in by the masses. So that's where your leak is. That's what's causing the sump pump to go off like crazy and do its thing.